Speed has got multiple definitions, but for our questions, we need to know one simple thing. Speed is given by distance traveled by an object divided by the time taken for the travel. In simple terms, we can use this S is equivalent to D upon T. And then we should compulsorily know how to manipulate this formula. For example, if we are trying to find out the distance traveled, the formula can be rearranged as distance is equivalent to, I'll switch over the time to the top, speed multiplied by time. Say for example, if we are trying to calculate the time taken for an object to travel, time is given by distance upon speed. I switch over the time, I switch over the speed. That's it. A car travels a distance of 600 kilometers in 5 hours. What is the speed of the car? So we know that speed is equivalent to distance upon time. So 600 divided by 5, and that should give us 120 kilometers per hour as the speed. Usain Bolt runs at a speed of 9 meters per second for a period of 12 seconds. How much distance does he run for? Right? So distance is equivalent to speed multiplied by time. So speed is 9 meters per second and time is 12 seconds. So what is going to be the answer? 108 meters. Right? A biker who travels at 80 kilometers per hour will cover a distance of 560 kilometers in how many hours? So in how many hours means we are trying to calculate the time. So time is equivalent to distance upon speed. So distance is 560 and the speed is 80 kilometers per hour. If we try simplifying, we are going to get 7 hours as the answer. From the previous questions, we should have seen that speed is measured in 2 different modes. One is kilometers per hour and the other one is meters per second. So there will be a requirement of converting the speed from one way to another. So how can we do this? Very simple. We know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meters, right? Similarly, how many seconds are there in 1 hour? Very simple. We have 60 minutes in a hour and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So basically in 1 hour we'll be having 3600 seconds, right? So for the conversion part, just simplify this ratio. 1000 divided by 3600. We can cut off the zeros. 10 would become 5. 36 would become 80. So whenever there is a requirement of converting the speed from kilometers per hour to meters per second, we times it with 5 by 80. What should we do from meters per seconds to kilometers per hour? Just do the reciprocal, which is 18 by 5. The speed of a train is 72 kilometers per hour. What is the speed in meters per second? The speed is 72 and we need to convert it from kilometers per hour to meters per second, right? And what is the conversion factor? We just multiply the speed by 5 by 80. So 1 18s are 18, 4 18s are 72 and 5 4s are 20. So the speed of the train is 20 meters per second. An eagle flies at a speed of 15 meters per second. What is the speed of the eagle in kilometers per hour? So speed is 15 and we are trying to convert the speed from meters per second to kilometers per hour. So what is the multiplication factor? You times it with 18 upon 5, right? So 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. So what is the speed? 54 kilometers per hour.